Imagine entering a biology classroom. Students are listening and taking notes, but many of them still struggle to truly understand what they are learning, especially when the topic is abstract. So, our question is, what if biology learning could become something students can see, hear, and interact with? Hello everyone, my name is Sawa from the Biology Education Study Program at the University of Mataram. At this video, I want to share our research on integrating Scratch coding in Makey in interactive biology learning media to improve students' learning outcomes. At this time, we often talk about Education 5.0 and digital transformation. But in reality, many classrooms still rely heavily on teachers and PowerPoint slides. During our observations, we found that many students still show low learning achievement. This made us think maybe the problem is not the students. Maybe the learning experience itself needs improvement. So instead of asking students to simply memorize the material, we should invite them to interact. With Scratch, we allow students to create interactive digital content, while Makey transfer a physical touch into a digital interaction. And as a result, biology is no longer on the screen. And now, imagine if you are a student. You don't just read about a fungi classification. Instead, you explore it, you touch it, you trigger response, you connect information digitally and physically. So, learning become an experience. And of course, feeling engaged is not enough. We want empirical evidence. So, we test a crucial question. Can this interactive media significantly improve biology learning outcomes? To answer that question, we conduct a quasi-experimental study. Both groups start with a similar condition, but only the experimental class experience the interactive media. And after that, the results show that both groups improve, but something interesting happened. The experimental class saw the greater improvement, not just statistically, but visibly. So we asked, what this difference real? And the ANACOVA result saw a p-value of 0.029, which means this improvement was statistically significant. In addition, the effect size reached 0.076, suggesting that the interactive learning experience contribute meaningfully to students' achievement. Through this approach, learning happens through multiple senses. Students are no longer passive receivers. Instead, they become active participants. Because our study suggests that innovation is not simply adding technology into classroom. What matters is creating meaningful interactions. Because we believe when students engage actively, learning outcome can improve. Before I finish, I would like to share one final thought that we are not simply teaching students to remember. Instead, we create opportunities for them to explore, interact, and grow. Because when learning becomes an experience, understanding follows. That's all for me. Thank you very much for your time and attention.